Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Threads application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device within which you wish to log out from your account. Now, since you are already logged in, you will directly be taken into your homepage, from which you can watch through various different threads and posts that other users have made. Now, in order to log out, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. You will now see the Logout and Switch Account button at the very bottom. If you wish to change into another account while still saving this account's information, you can tap on the Switch Accounts button and then log into this new account. Otherwise, just tap on Logout and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to log out from your Threads account. Tap on the Logout button once again, and now this will log you out from the Threads application on your device right away, and you will now be taken into the login page. You can either log back in to the same account or use a different account by tapping on the appropriate option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Threads application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.